Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Garage Reviews. I am Raghu Gupta and today I have with me a special edition Škoda Rapid, that is the matte black edition one. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a detailed overview of this car in which I will be talking about the pros and cons of this car and whether you should buy it or not. So without any further ado, let's get started. The Škoda Rapid has always been one of the most high-selling cars for the Škoda company here in India, and so it makes sense for them to bring out this special edition car for the Škoda Rapid. And must I say, it absolutely looks stunning. I saw pictures of this car, it looked good then, but in person this definitely is something different. But if we really look into the details of this car essentially is a Škoda Rapid Onyx edition, but with a few different changes such as a reverse camera and, well, a brand new paint job. By the way, I have made a separate video in which I talk about all the details of the Škoda Rapid, that too the Onyx edition, in a separate video. So if you want to look at a detailed review of the car, I will link that in the description down below. Go check that out. In this video, I'm just going to be talking about this car specifically. But before we move any further, I would like to specially thank Berkeley Škoda, which is a brand new Škoda dealership here in the industrial area of Panchkula. They have an amazing inventory of all the Škoda cars, and if you have any queries regarding this car or any Škoda car for that matter, you can contact them using the links in the description down below. But anyways, with that said, now let's move on to the main portion, that is the pros and the cons of buying this special edition car. So let's start with some positivity. That means we are going to be talking about the pros of this car. First off, the very basic one, let's get it out of the way, that in this car you get a brand new paint job and we get a reverse camera over the Onyx model. But then we come on to one of the major ones, that is number 2, the way this car looks. It is absolutely stunning. The Škoda Rapid has always been that car which is very aggressive and has a very sporty characteristic. And my one complaint with the gloss variants was that the amount of aggressive design and the accentuating curves given in these cars is not done justice to with a gloss finish. But with this satin matte black finish, you can see those curves, you can see that aggressive design very, very clearly. And then coming to number 3, the one I think is one of the most major ones, is the exclusivity for this car, because this is the first time that any car in this segment has come out with a factory finish matte black, which I think says a lot. And adding more, this is a limited production car, which means that not everyone can get their hands on this car. It is a limited production run, which gives this car even more exclusivity. And then coming to one pro that I think will affect a lot of customers, and that has to do with the paint job alone. In any gloss car, over the long run, the glossiness goes dull and the car just doesn't look brand new over the years. But with this matte black color, because it doesn't have any gloss itself, it will not lose that gloss finish, and the car, if cleaned properly, will look brand new even after say 4 or 5 years down the line. Adding more, with gloss finishes, those cars are a fingerprint magnet. You clean your car and you touch it again, your fingerprints will be embedded on that car. But with a matte black finish, that is not a hassle at all. And trust me, those small little things actually make a major effect in terms of the looks of the car. And now it is time to face the ugly truth. That is, we are going to be talking about the cons for this car. And there are 2 major ones. Number 1 has to do with keeping the car clean. Now, there is no doubt about the fact that this car looks stunning, but keeping a car clean is a completely different story. Because of the matte finish on this car, if any kind of dirt is on the car, it is very well visible. Now, this can very easily be remedied, get the car washed. But then again, it is a hassle that you have to take care of, and that is keeping the car clean. But then coming to number 2, which I think is one of the most important ones, and that is the original price of the car. This car has an ex-showroom price of around 12.5 lakh rupees. And like I told you, this is based on the Skoda Rapid Onyx edition just with a reverse camera. The Skoda Rapid Onyx is worth around 10.5 lakh rupees. Even if you add a reverse camera aftermarket in that car, you can get it at an extra for 10-15,000 rupees. That is a good quality one, which means that you are paying an extra premium of almost 2 lakh rupees for the matte black edition. Now this obviously is because of the exclusivity of the car and the extremely expensive paint job of this car, but still it is an expense that you have to take care of. So it is now up to you. Do you think that the exclusivity and the way this car looks is worth the extra 2 lakh rupee premium? That is something I would like to know, so let me know in the comments down below. And with that said, we come to the end of this video. Once again, if you want a detailed review of the Skoda Rapid Onyx, I have made a very detailed review of this car and I will link that in the description down below. But that is all for my take on the matte black special edition Skoda Rapid. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below what you think about this car, share this video as much as you can, and a subscribe to the channel would be absolutely legendary because it gives me so much more motivation to create more content for you guys. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.